How to read deleted messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to head towards settings, and in the search box simply type restore. Then after, you need to go to restore and backup. Simply click on it and go to backup and migrate at the top. Click on local backup. Now as you can see, there's no backup in my device, but you have created a backup. You will be able to see the data for your message application. If not, you can simply start a new backup, allow the permission for all these type of application and click on start. And then after, you will be able to access your message. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.